Hey there, Stephen Pegg from Loves to Travel. Thanks for checking out our videos. Always appreciate when you watch what we do in Lost Wages. Yeah, Las Vegas, that's where we're at. Come on in, we're going to show you the room here. Where are we at, honey?
Wyndham Grand Desert, just renovated.
This is on
Tower 2.
Tower 2, but where are we in Vegas?
We are about a mile off the strip.
Yep.
And it's really obvious it's renovated because the coloring scheme has changed. Because this used to be a banquette.
Right.
Now it's not a banquette. There's actually seating behind.
Right.
So it's really weird when I looked at the layout. You really walk right into the dining room area. And as you know, you really don't need to eat in Vegas because you'll be out and about.
No.
So we're going to start on this side.
This is the second bedroom of what would be considered a two-bedroom. This one has two, these are two queens, right?
Right, two queens, or like almost like full sizes.
Yeah, they're like small. Yeah, they might even be fulls. Yeah. Either two full or two queen, I'm not sure exactly. The closet, obviously. Oh, first of all, before we go into the closet,
we have a view of the pool.
We do not have a strip view. This is a view of the pool. So in this room, we do not have a view of the strip. Got a closet here. Not much in the closet except for hangers. Dresser with a TV, and I always complain about the size of TVs. You could go larger on this TV if you wanted. Again, two beds with one nightstand. There's not nightstands on both sides of the bed, by the way.
But you know, they do have a full-length mirror.
I know how much you like your full-length mirrors. So this is the one side. Now we're going to go to the bathroom. It's not an attached, so it's not technically an ensuite, but it's like right outside. Here's your full bath.
And this is a shareable bathroom with the rest of people who are sleeping in the living room.
Right. So you've got a full shower and toilet, sink, single sink. They do have all the toiletries, shampoo, soap, Kleenex. I think the towels will probably be under here. Extra toilet paper and towels are underneath. Yep. And then you've got a hair dryer. Yep, hair dryer over there.
And I know this is a remodel. They did not change the cabinets and the countertops because they look like they're the original.
Yeah, but they did change the lights. Light fixtures are different. So are the fixtures for the rest of the bathroom, by the way. So we'll come back to the kitchen in a minute, but let's get into the living room right now. And we did tell them about the broken door on the closet, so they're coming up to fix that right now.
They said they were supposed to be here within 5 minutes. We'll see if that happens.
Yep. So in the living room rather, you've got two side chairs, which are not really side chairs; they're side by side. You do have a sleeper sofa. That is a queen sleeper sofa.
And then it is all new furniture. I can link the one-bedroom video to this because we did a one-bedroom probably about less than a year ago, and the furniture is very different.
There's a coffee table in front, TV, and again, TV, just me, personal preference, could be much bigger. Modern lights that they've brought in. There's a ceiling fan. That's a new ceiling fan up top, by the way. New carpeting. I'm not sure if I like the carpeting. I don't see any.
The room is still dark.
Yeah.
That was one of the issues with this room before. It was pretty dark. And this, like I said.
Don't even bother opening because it'll fall off.
It is a closet.
It's just got to be put back on.
Okay.
That's all it's got to happen.
So let's go into the
what would be considered the master bedroom.
Or the primary room.
However,
I do like the fact they changed to purple.
Right.
Because before there was a purple wall that was floraled.
Oh my God, it was horrible. So here you go in the master bedroom. You've got king size bed. You do have end tables on both sides. The lights do have plugs, but I don't know if they have USB. I think it's just plugs. Yep, just plugs, not USB.
And you do have plenty of drawer space here.
So just a closet here. There is a safe in the closet, and there is a luggage rack, by the way. We do have our stuff in here, and as you can see, we also bring extra pillows when we come. But I'm seeing less and less luggage racks in hotel rooms and condos that we're staying at, so I'm glad to see one here. So again, TV could be bigger, but I don't know how much bigger you could go with the space that you've got. They've got the dresser here.
Are they soft close?
Let's find out.
Nope.
No. Full-size mirror. You like that?
Are you styling?
No, I'm not. I can't style. Let's go into the bathroom. Double sinks in the bathroom right off the bat, which you didn't have in the other bathroom. Single sinks in the other bathroom. I do like the light fixtures on top. I rather have a backlit mirror. For some reason, I've fallen in love with backlit mirrors. So.
And they did not renovate, of course, the cabinets.
Yeah, no, these are not new countertops. These are the same countertops. Basically, what they've done is change the fixtures, change the mirrors, change the lights. However, I think they really redid all of this part of it. So this is all new shower, I think. They got rid of the soaker. I'm sorry, they got rid of the jet tub. It's just a straight soaker tub now. Let's check this out. I want to check. I like to try the height test. And men's and men's. Could be a little bit higher, but I'll make it work.
And what's underneath in the cabinets, honey?
Let's see. I don't think there's anything under this side, because I think I peeked already. Nope. You have extra towels here, and extra toiletries or extra toilet paper and Kleenex there, along with the hairdryer. I will say that you should have towels, washcloths, hair towels, regular towels for 4 people in this room, in this bathroom. Regular toilet. One thing I will say about this is the only door for privacy, right?
Oh yeah, because if you're sitting there, you can watch the person taking a shower.
Yeah, that'll be fun tonight.
Oh, great.
But yeah, so the only door is actually into the toilet area.
Well, I'll steam you out, honey, because I take really hot showers.
You do. I think this is, yeah, it is. It's the washer dryer. Is that? It's apartment size.
Is it? Let's see.
Yeah, it's apartment size.
Oh, that's pretty deep, actually.
Yeah. They do give you soap. We always bring our own pods when we come, though. So, but they do give you soap.
And the last piece is the kitchen,
Yeah,
right?
Let's take a peek at the kitchen.
Okay.
They do have bar seating on the kitchen. So actually there's seating for 8 people here, 6 at the table and 2 at the bar side. They did not change the countertops like we talked about before. They've not done the countertops, but they have changed the hardware. So new faucet and things, not a new sink, but new faucet. I don't know if that's a new stove or not. It could very well be. You've got stove, refrigerator, microwave, all here. Yeah, this is a new dishwasher. I'll give you that.
Is it?
So yeah,
That is a new dishwasher.
It's a new dishwasher. This is supposedly a fully renovated room. Let's go through the cabinets. Cabinets? What's a cabinet?
I don't know.
Let's go through the cabinets real quick.
And the water we brought.
We brought the
just
water.
because when we go to different cities, we always do not drink their water.
Yeah. Montezuma's Revenge. Have you heard of that? There's your Pyrex dishes, your mixing bowls, your measuring cup. Let's see what's up top here. Normally nothing. Ooh, there is something up there. There's your blender for your own daiquiris and margaritas. So they've got that up there. Let's see what's over here. Here's your plates. Yeah, service for 10.
Wow.
They have service for 10, including coffee cups for 10 too. Over here is drink cups and wine glasses, again for 10 people. You want to do the countertops and then go underneath?
Yeah.
That's ours.
That's ours.
That's ours. Cuisinart coffee maker. It's not a pod maker. It's just a regular drip coffee. Knife set. Toaster. Of course, your stove. We'll get back to that. And then paper towels. Where do you want to go? Underneath the sink?
Underneath the sink?
Well, let's go underneath the sink first. Let's see what's under here first.
Fire extinguisher.
Trash can, extra paper towels, your dish soap and such. That's underneath there. I do not see a recycle bin. Nothing under there. Here's all your silverware. Over here, some of your utensils that you use, serving spoons, spatula, mix. That's a little close. Yeah, that is a little close. Again, they did not change the cabinets. Are those, yeah, your non-stick pans?
Non-stick pans.
There's only 2 of them, though. That surprises me. Oh, did you see they pushed that in to try and
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah, nothing in there.
Interesting.
Nothing in there. There's some more pots and pans. It's just a stock pot. So you actually, in this room, only have 1 stock pot and then not even a large fry pan, but 2 medium and 1 small, or 1 medium and 1 small. This is weird. That's weird. Stove. Let's see what's underneath here. There's your pizza tray and your baking tray.
You can tell the stove is new by if there's nothing.
Oh yeah, it hasn't.
It's pretty new.
Pretty new. It's 5 burner, 4 with a warming burner, microwave.
And of course, the refrigerator is the wrong way.
Yep, it is.
And it was interesting when we came in, they gave us a bottle of champagne.
Yeah, which is weird. So thank you for the champagne.
Yep.
I want to show you how easy it is to switch these. This is why it upsets me that they don't have them the right way. Pop, 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 switch them, and you can switch them. That's how easy it is. This comes out, goes into that side, and it's so easy. You can do it in 10 minutes. I don't know why they don't do that. That's the room. Again, where are we, honey?
Wyndham Grand Desert, Las Vegas.
And we're about a mile off the Strip.
Right.
And if you know anything about the Strip, we're up by the Mandalay Bay area and the Bellagio area. So that's kind of where we're at, but we're a mile off the Strip. So thanks for watching. Appreciate you checking it out. As always, if you haven't set up one of our videos before, hit that subscribe button below. Get the bell notification button below. That'll notify you when our next video goes up. Love for you to hit the like button too. Hope you enjoy the video because we're going to enjoy staying here. Have yourself a magical day.